Good evening, this is Mike with rbmods.com, and today we'll be doing an unboxing of a TP-Link 16-port Gigabit desktop rack mount switch, model number TL-SG1016D. TP-Link has been a major player in the home and Soho networking segment for a while. To make a wide range of devices ranging from Wi-Fi routers to wireless adapters to wired devices such as this, as well as power over Ethernet devices and other devices such as cameras and Ethernet cameras and other things you'd find in the data center. Also, just starting to make a push into the data center market, and I would imagine over the next couple of years you'll start seeing more of their products show up in smaller data centers. So let's see what we have in the box here. So we have, this is the TP-Link purchasing guide, and you can see they have lots of different devices available, such as VPN routers, load balancing broadband routers, L2 managed switches, web smart switches, and unmanaged switches. What we're looking at today happens to be a unmanaged switch. They also have media converters going from fiber to copper, and just different SFP modules. Okay. Next, we have the installation guide. Pretty straightforward here. Just how to install it, lightning protection, troubleshooting, tech specs, and technical support. So basically it's just this is a 16-port switch, and it'll walk you through how to install it. It's pretty straightforward. It's got a grounding terminal on some of these devices, as well as it looks like it has a rack ears, bracket mounts too, which is good. Very important for putting into a rack. So let's have a look at the actual device itself. All right, this is the switch itself, and it's quite heavy. We'll take this out. Let's take the power cable and the rack gears. Okay. All right. So the switch itself, it's pretty heavy. I would have to venture maybe good 5-6 pounds maybe. And as you can tell from here, you have your ports on the front, 16 ports, and your different LEDs for activity. On the rear is the power connection and the ground terminal pin. And again, pretty well made, pretty solid. On the bottom of the device, you have your cutouts for your rubber feet if you're going to use it in a desktop installation. Or on the sides here, you have your screw holes for your bracket mounts. And what the bracket mounts look like, basically all they are, really, are just metal brackets that attach to the side of the device, like so. And you screw in the closed screws, and then you can rack it into your rack cabinet, and you're ready to go. That said, the device also comes with screws for attaching the rack mounts, and rubber feet for desktop use. And one power cable. Pretty cool. The one of the nice things about having a switch like this, again, it's unmanaged, so there's not much to really have to do except just install it, plug in your cables, and let it go. Which would be great for more modern homes that have Ethernet drops in each room. That would be more than what a 5-port switch can handle. Or for the small home office that doesn't really need the power of an L2 switch, but definitely needs the port capacity. So for that particular situations, or those situations, this would be perfect. We'll have a review of this device up on up on rbmods.com here shortly. And thank you very much. Have